The Singapore Airshow, Asia's largest and most prestigious aviation event, is held every 2 years at the Changi Exhibition Centre in Singapore. The 2016 Airshow, the 5th edition of the event, saw trade deals in excess of $12 billion during the week and an 80-minute aerial display during the public weekend. In this video, we'll draw footage from the 2 pre-show rehearsal days and both of the public days, as well as cockpit video kindly provided by the Republic of Singapore Air Force. We'll cut straight to the action with the RSAF's duo of F-15 and Apache.
A very warm welcome to the Singapore Airshow 2016 and to this aerial demonstration by the finest operational aircrew from the RSAF. This is the first time that the F-15 and Apache have integrated together for an aerial display.
Some not at all over-the-top commentary there to introduce the duo, who began their display with an incredible opposition pass, followed by a solo display from the F-15. The highlight, this SAM weave complete with flares, as if the aircraft were avoiding a surface-to-air missile.
And his weapon systems officer at the rear is Captain Legion Gray, of course the Airbus. Here comes 58,000 rounds of thrust.
The duo had just 2 months to rehearse and did so 2 to 3 times each week, sometimes for up to 8 hours in one session.
Together with other air and land platforms, the Apache dominates the land battle and enables the RSAF to carry out a wide spectrum of operations to achieve mission success. Demonstrating the Apache's pre-attack capability and showcasing its quick responses, Major Love now performs a yaw turn and fly right back into show center. This armor-protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify, and prioritize over 250 targets, and also engage both stationary and moving targets at standoff range. Demonstrating the power and maneuvering capability of the Apache in close air support missions, Major Love will now perform a combat turn revolution.
The finale, an upwards punch complete with flares.
Captain Blanche Cal Benoit coming in. From your right on a show that's going to be a very tight show, highlighting the maneuverability and speed of the Rafale. is lining up for. It's going to demonstrate the high maneuverability of the Rafale. Coming into show center, and with 4 quick turns and twists, we will perform the square dance.
The aircraft that travelled the furthest to take part in the flying display was this Dassault Rafale C, provided by France's Armée de l'Air. Thanks to its tight radius and liberally applied afterburner, it's one of the most highly acclaimed fast jet demonstrations in Europe.
See all that water vapor coming off the vortices.
The Rafale was the result of the French decision to withdraw from the Eurofighter project in 1985. Unlike the Typhoon, the Rafale is fully carrier capable, but has failed to match the Typhoon's export success.
The inverted pass with negative 4 Gs. The Rafale is a multi-role, 4+ generation fighter. The pilots for the Rafale say the same thing. They like how easy it is to fly. Lets you focus on the maneuver, the planes, electronics helping out a great deal.
The display was flown by Captain Benoit Planche, or Théo. Théo has displayed the Rafale since 2013. The Singapore Airshow was his last ever display. France being the feature country of the Singapore Airshow 2016, it was no surprise to see another of their aircraft in the flying display. Airbus provided the A350-900 XWB, which made its World Airshow debut at the Singapore Airshow 2014. This state-of-the-art composite airliner boasts fuel savings of 25% compared to its contemporary competitors, seating 325 passengers in 3 classes. The A350 entered service with Qatar Airways at the end of last year, and will take flight with Singapore Airlines in the first half of 2016 on flights to Germany and the Netherlands. In the long run, A350s will also be used on the longest scheduled commercial flight in the world, the 18-hour trip from Singapore to New York. We're going to get another extremely excitable commentator in a minute. This is the Pacific Air Force F-16 demo team based in Japan. In terms of orders, the F-16 is the most successful modern fighter jet in the world. It's in operation right across the globe, including with Singapore's own aerobatic team, the Black Knights.
Ladies and gentlemen, the F-16 fighting Falcon and the 4-point roll. Gonna be a big man someday. You got blood on your face. You big disgrace. Kicking your can off. Full afterburner, demonstrating the F-16's awesome thrust-to-weight ratio. Hope you've enjoyed this brief look of the F-16 fighting Falcon.
Between the two air displays, spectators were given the chance to explore the extensive static display. Sadly, the 787, A350, A380, C-Series and Sukhoi Superjet had all left by the public weekend, meaning that the RSAF and United States made the only significant contributions. The Republic of Singapore Air Force provided this F-16, formerly known as Black Knight 6, although curiously the number 6 had been painted over on the tail. They also displayed 2 F-15SGs and one example of most of the other aircraft in their inventory. Appearing in Singapore for the very first time is the pride of the United States Air Force, the F-22 Raptor, the only jet on site that was actually fenced off, preventing the public from getting a closer look. The United States also provided the KC-135, C-130, MV-22, F-18 and P-8. As usual, a gaggle of business jets filled the northern side of the ramp. Dwarfing them all was the Royal Malaysian Air Force's brand new A400M Atlas, delivered 1 year ago. Kicking off Sunday's afternoon flying display and making its sole appearance of the week was United States Air Force B-52 Stratofortress, which flew 8 hours from Guam for this single flypast.
The B-52 has been in service for more than 60 years, with its first flight dating back to 1954. The Stratofortress has a payload of 31,500 kilograms and can drop mixed ordnance such as mines, missiles, and bombs.
The B-52 entered service during the Cold War and will have been flying for nearly 100 years by the time it's retired from service in 2044.
B-52 Stratofortress was an aircraft with 8 engines and fly worldwide using air-to-air refueling capability.
Time now for something else very large in the form of the United States Air Force's C-17 Globemaster III. The C-17 is one of the largest and latest transport aircraft in the USAF inventory, and it's seen considerable export success to the United Kingdom, France, Germany, India and Australia, among others.
Ladies and gentlemen, divert your attention to the right, roaring the skies over Chinese Singapore. From number 11 Squadron, the versatile Sukhoi Su-30 MKM making an entrance with a maneuver for the knife edge.
Let's go!
Reach a top speed of 92. And the controls of this amazing aircraft are the pilot, Major Noor Alvan, cosine Singh, and Major Nick Mohammed Suhatli, cosine Dog, the weapons sensor officer.
The show stealer for many was without doubt the Royal Malaysian Air Force's incredible Sukhoi Su-30 display. The Russian-built twin-jet fighter uses thrust vectoring and large canards for extreme manoeuvrability, so enjoy this fantastic display from the RMAF's Su-30.
Punching up to the sky before executing another spectacular and breathtaking maneuver, the tail is flight. Get your cameras ready as you will see the aircraft. Climbing. And continue climbing. Climbing. And stopping right there in the middle of the sky. Get your cameras ready as you see the aircraft will come down now, sliding down in the speed, in which Major Sting recovers with a minimum height loss, assisted by the thrust vectoring controls or TVC. With the integrated aerodynamic configuration resulting in unprecedented maneuverability and unique takeoff and landing characteristics, and of course coupled with a digital fly-by-wire system, you will be able to see the Su-30 MKM today performing some very distinctive and advanced maneuvers. Coming back to show center, the Su-30 MKM will demonstrate her powerful twin engines, thrusting 55,000 pounds with full afterburners in a maximum 360 degrees turn. another impressive maneuver called the TPCJ-10. Keep those cameras rolling. Exiting the TPCJ-10 with a flat spin, Major Sting recovers the aircraft for the next maneuver. And now Major Sting will pull up for a mini-loop. Execute a maneuver which is a combination of high speed to low speed and high alpha called the Cobra stance. The Cobra stance. This is surely a most awaited maneuver such as of the F-15
안녕하십니까? Ladies and gentlemen, we're Black Eagles from the Republic of Korea Air Force. We are back here. Welcome with a round of applause.
Performing in Singapore for the second time, the world famous and ever popular Black Eagles.
Now on your left, the head from the Stinger formation. Ladies and gentlemen, Black Eagles now descending with the diamond formation. On your left, the diamond formation from Black Eagles. Please welcome with a round of applause. Starting with diamond formation, we will bring some spectacular offensive change for the next few minutes. The formation you are seeing now is the Albatross formation. And the Eagle formation, representing Black Eagles from your left. Black Eagles now flying to the right, preparing for the next maneuver. Please turn your attention to the right.
The Black Eagles fly 8 homegrown T-50B Golden Eagles, and they begin their 25-minute display with some 8-ship formation work.
To maintain its precise formation, pilots are maintaining speed optimum, which is the symbol of Black Eagles and power of Korean Air Force. Please give a round of applause once again. Attend to the center now. The most beyond maneuver, the lane 4, is taking place on your center.
After the rainfall split, the aircraft break down into smaller groups and the display becomes much more dynamic, comprising opposition maneuvers and brakes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please eyes on your right. Who's maneuver? Please welcome with a round of applause. Another synchronized vision of the hard to piece arrow. This is a gift for all of you enjoying the Black Eagles display.
Now for the highlight of the display, the symbol of the Korean flag will be drawn in the sky.
Exclusive maneuver on your center. The takeoff is taking place. Takeoff is a symbol representing the Republic of Korea. Ladies and gentlemen, please give us a standing round of applause for the spirit of Korea. This shows the spirit of harmony on which flag is stand firmly. Ladies and gentlemen, please eyes on your left. Talk about. Word now. Come now. Singapore here is the first place to show this unique display. By waving your hands.
Another highlight coming up now with the 4-ship dizzying break from Show Center.
Maneuver for the Singapore Airshow on the center. The victory break maneuver. Now. The elevator to place. Black Eagle is now leaving the display area and heading to the Changi Air Base. I hope you all have enjoyed the show. We really thank you for taking time to enjoy the show with Black Eagles. 여러분,
much, ladies and gentlemen, from the Republic of Korea, the Black Eagles.